stand behind me.
What?
Get him to look at my. There, I think that was a good one.
I'm waiting for him to do something stupid so I can put it on YouTube.
Like eat the tree?
Hmm?
Like eat the tree?
Yeah. I like tip the tree over. I'm waiting for him to do it.
That was pretty good, except my hair was in it.
So there's 12 drivers, but it looks like 6 of them are the same or something. I don't understand.
Okay.
Do I download all of them?
Just one thing.
But
Rusty!
I'm in the computer that.
Got it. That was probably a good one.
It looks like it's gonna
Ouch.
tip. It's gonna tip this way.
I'm in the computer that I have on the Dell site, and it has 12 of them, and a lot of them are different. But like, there's like half of them are the exact same thing. It looks like it's like one thing taken out or one thing added. I don't understand.
We'll just bring it up here. I'm not going on there.
Okay. I can't connect to the internet at all, even with the cord.
You can't connect to it with the cord?
Cannot. Says it can't find the hardware or something.
So where did you find the drivers?
On my computer. Oh yeah. It's on my computer downstairs. My Mac. I'm gonna use a USB transfer modem. Unless they have no idea what I'm doing.
Really?
Weather outside is frightful, but fire does delight. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping. It's that garage the corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle
Stop
hop
biting
has
him. That's not very
begun.
nice.
That's the jingle bell rock. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas.